Guys, like I have cooked by myself, like putting ingredients like pickled radish, rice, and others, and I put the combined, and then I put it in the oven for about 1 minute, 1 minute and a half, and it looks very delicious. I'm just gonna try it once. First topic, this kind of vegetable. It actually feels sour. How about this thing? Meh. This? Very great. This together now also nice. Delicious, but it even feels a little bit slimy. It's like I said slimy, not spicy, okay? How about the rice? Ma'am? What about I eat the mix up? I got some runny nose a bit. It's fine. Delicious one. Like I'm just recording that I'm eating dinner. Okay.